Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report comments on your accounts on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click here on this comments icon. Now click here and click on report, and now just choose any option here, spam or hate, whatever, and click next, and that's it. It will be reported. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.